Today you joined me actually halfway through a project, unfortunately. I sort of got involved and then was like, oh, actually this might be quite interesting. So I own a 2012 Nissan Navara, and I've had a bit of a problem with the bumper. Yeah, it's meant to be chrome, but as you can see, this is the end. I haven't started yet. We've got a slight rust issue. So today's job is flattening it back. We're gonna spray paint it with some truck bed liner, make it look pretty, and also as well we're gonna wire up some extra reverse lights, because I have fitted, from when I bought it, these lovely smoked lenses. Now, for a big vehicle, you'd thought being able to see when you reverse would be a priority. Now, it has a reversing camera, however at night, yeah, well, you may as well have a candle behind you. So we're going to fit some LED spotlights, so when I reverse I can actually see where I'm going rather than crashing into things, which I haven't yet, but it's only inevitable. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Where did that go? Huh. You're not going to be there. You're meant to be up here. Better? Silly camera. Right, so here we go guys. Right, just turn the ignition on. As you can see, the rear view camera is at the moment facing down, so put it into reverse just so obviously I can check, double triple check, make sure that we have the right bulb that we're going to try and tee into. So, but just to highlight a point as well, that's the reverse bulb at the moment. So yeah, it ain't that bright. So what we got up at the moment is we actually have the bumper is just drying after being primed. That'll obviously get another little tickle up. We like to go belt and braces here, so yeah, that will probably get another prime on it. I'll probably give it another rub down, then another prime again, just to make sure that it's all sitting exactly how I want it. So yeah, now I'm going to take the light off and try and find the cable and make sure that the wires are all there, and make sure that the lights I've bought will actually work and not blow any fuses. And through a little bit of swearing, we've done the jiggery pokery inside here now using the Milwaukee solder and a couple of little jointing boxes. They're the temporary ones. So as you can see here, look, we actually have one of the lights. It's hooked up. I have checked it beforehand just to make sure, obviously. No one likes looking a fool on YouTube. So as you can see, we are in reverse with the reverse camera on, and we have an incredibly bright LED light on. So the idea now is I'm going to cut the holes for these. They're recessed, so they should actually look really nice in there, and then pretty much I'm going to leave it for the night and let the primer go off properly, and then we can give it a proper good coat tomorrow, whip everything off as it should be, so it's nice and easy to do. And yeah, see you guys back here tomorrow. Well, it's day 2 now. We've got the bumpers all primed up, it's all nice and dry. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but we have a proper what I like to call arseless truck. Need to just make the wiring a little bit neater and tidier in there. But inside here we have the primed up bumper, so with all the holes cut nice and ready. So first things first is actually going to be drilling the holes for the lights and for the number plate. So yeah, let's get cracking. Sunshine. Right, so we have now primed the holes we've just drilled. I'm just going to start bedlining it. Now I am using named brand Halfords truck bedliner spray. Basically it's cheap, it's a bumper. I'm not overly fussed if it's Raptor or anything like that. I mean, if they want to come and supply me with some tins at £30 a tin, then happy days, but this was a tenner a tin, so like, we'll use it. But hell, if it's a cheap alternative and it works, then maybe it's something to consider, guys. Right, so we've just done a first pass. So literally, guys, this is like almost like a base coat for me. I like to put quite a fine, thin coat over it. However, I have to say, I'm quite impressed with it. It's looking all right. A few more coats, and that should look a treat. Maybe this Halford stuff's not so bad after all. Right, welcome back, guys. You can see we've now got the bumper fitted, and I have to say I'm actually remarkably impressed with myself. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to show you a little bit of how we've routed them together. Obviously this side is your reverse light, that one there. So I've wired it into the back of that, literally just spliced it into the cables and then came out and ran it. So we've got basically a live cable running across the back. So under here, that might be quite a handy thing to show actually. These three bolts here, 1, 2, 3, they're the ones that take the whole bumper off like that, and 3 bolts the other side. And then, as you can see, we've got our waterproof connection box there, and just to go extra on top, I've also used the wonderful magical electrical tape, which obviously repels all water, dust, magic and fairies, so that all works properly. Cable tied everything to the tow bar cross member, all the way through to the other side. And the back here, you can just see this is how they're fitted in the back. And then yeah, all I've got to do is I've got some flexi armor cable to go through that lot up there, just obviously stop body rub. Now I'm actually incredibly impressed with the finish of this. I don't know if it picks up on the camera very well, but yeah, and also as well, the lights look really cool. Yeah, I'm happy. So I think that is another video done. Any comments? If you guys want any further information on how to do it or anything like that, just let us know. I'm more than happy to share. And I think the next videos, as I've got a spare tin of this bedliner paint, might be taking the grill off, prepping that, spraying that up, and also as well the wing mirrors, just because I really like the finish. So please like and subscribe to the channel, and yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Thanks a lot. You didn't think we'd leave you like that, did you? So, ooh, that's another good point. Actually, we have upgraded the interior lighting in here as well, and the ones on the footwell. Just to, you know, that's another little thing I like to do. So it's now dusky dark outside, and the improvement of the reverse lights is incredible. So let me take you around the back and I'll show you. So these are now my reverse lights. Now, I think I might just be able to see where I'm going. Yeah, I think we've improved that no end. So right, I'm gonna stand here and do this because I may as well, because you can see me. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.